Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, running boards, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, roof rack. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, overhead console, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
With Honda Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.